Check out what I got in the mail. Oh, how lucky am I? This is a Kyvol extra large air fryer. It is pretty cool. Let's open it and play with it. So we have our air fryer and it has a packet. Let's open it and see what's in here. We have a recipe book, the user manual, we have the warranty, and then we have a happy, unhappy card. Happy, they want you to please, review it, obviously, help them sell it. Unhappy, here's all the addresses where you can call and they can solve the problem and make you happy. This machine works with a halogen lamp. We're gonna turn it on in a minute and you'll see how cool it is. It has a big basket. Look at that. That's big. And then we have the little basket or the little grill that goes inside the basket. I'm gonna rinse this out and we'll go and start cooking. Okay? First thing we need to do is preheat. We turn it on and then we go to the menu and we pick which one we want. We can do chicken, we can do beef, we can do French fries, we can do toast, we can do preheat, which is the one we want, reheat, defrost, and dehydrate. Guys, we're gonna make all kinds of recipes with this, and I would love if you tell me at the bottom what you want me to make in this machine, because we're gonna play a lot with this new toy. So we're gonna preheat it. Check out the light, isn't that cool? The instructions say to preheat this for 10 minutes when you're first using it, so it'll take away the funky plastic smell. I already did that, so I don't have to. It will automatically go to 5 minutes once you've used it already, okay? While it's preheating, let's get our fries ready, okay? We're gonna cook fries today and some other things to try it out. I'm just using Trader Joe's potato fries. We're gonna put them in frozen. I'm gonna spray them with a little bit of oil. Don't overdo the spray. You don't want them to get mushy, okay? Obviously, you can just put them in like this. They already come salted, but I want to put a little spices in them. I'm gonna put a little pepper on them, a little garlic powder, and a little paprika. So we mix it in, and we put it in the air fryer. All right, this is all preheated. I really like that basket comes out so easily. So I'm just gonna put a little oil in there with my spray. We'll put our fries in. All right, we start it. We go to the menu. We look for French fries and we start. 18 minutes is what this machine suggests. That's what we're gonna do. I didn't point out that it has a see-through drawer. You can actually watch your food while it cooks. While the potatoes are cooking, we're gonna prep some asparagus. So as you can see, I cut off the woody end. I'm gonna put them in this bowl, spray them a little bit. We're gonna season it with salt and a little bit of pepper. That's it. I'm gonna keep it very simple. Okay, mix it and we will put it in the fryer. So 9 minutes have gone by. That's halfway through. I wanna shake the basket. Check out how good those fries look in there. Yes, I want to just grab one now and eat it. Look at that, perfection. Those, my friends, are perfect fries. No mess, no oil. Very good. Let's taste one. It is crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Oh, pretty fabulous. We're gonna let these fries cool down and get soggy, and we're gonna put them back in this machine on their reheat button, because one of their claims to fame is that they will come out perfectly like, this. So we'll see. All right, let's cook our asparagus. It says to put some parchment paper at the bottom. I have these pre-cut ones. I'm just gonna put them in. The recipes say to select preheat again. but we have to adjust the heat to 375. Okay, temp 375, and then time 7 to 9 minutes. And we turn it on. All right, I cooked it for the 9 minutes. That looks pretty perfect, doesn't it? One recommendation for this, do not use metal in the basket or you will scratch it. There you go, perfectly cooked asparagus in 9 minutes. Awesome. We'll let it cool down a bit and we'll taste it. Okay, I'm gonna preheat this again because I want to cook some bacon. While that's heating, let's taste this asparagus. Guys, this is still very crisp, but it's soft in the inside. It is perfect. This is preheated, so we'll just add some bacon in there. It's hot, so watch out. Now we want to do beef. We want to reduce the heat to 320. Time 10 minutes. See how that comes out. I'm sure it's going to be perfect. Oh my gosh, that looks perfect, doesn't it? It's delicious. It's crunchy, just like bacon should be. Crisp. All right, these are soggy now. We're going to reheat them and see if they really come out perfect like they say. I'm gonna pick the soggiest ones. We'll throw them in. There's no instructions, you know, on how long, but it says 5 minutes at 340, so we're gonna let it be. Those look pretty good. Let's taste them. Oh yeah, just like they were just made. Wow, I love that feature. So guys, in conclusion, I really love this machine. No wonder it has 5 stars on Amazon. It is just perfect. Everything we cooked was great. As I said in the beginning, I'm gonna make a bunch of recipes with this and let me know what you want me to cook for you. This one sells for $110 on Amazon. I'll put the link at the bottom so that you can go buy it if you want it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.